recipe is a very nice and healthy breakfast recipe. Many of you have been asking me for millet recipes, so I've decided to show you guys a nice ragi idli recipe. Now ragi is actually finger millets. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the batter, first I'm going to soak 3 ingredients, starting with the finger millets, that is ragi. This is a 100 ml cup. Pour enough water and soak the ragi for about 3 hours minimum. Next I'm going to soak 50 grams of urad dal. Wash it a few times and then soak it in water. Next, soak 100 grams of idli rice. Wash it a few times, pour enough water and soak it for about 3 hours. Soak the ingredients separately and leave it for about 3 hours minimum and a maximum of 5 hours. The first I'm going to grind the urad dal. Add a little water and grind it to a nice smooth batter. Remove the batter into a bowl. Add the finger millet and the idli rice and grind it together. Just going to add very little water. So I've ground the batter to a nice smooth consistency. To this, add 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Mix it nicely. Mix the batter well and leave it out to ferment for a minimum of 8 hours. So this is a fermented batter which I've done earlier. So apply a little oil to the idli plate. So you can see the batter is fermented. Now for the idlis, make sure you take the batter from the top. Don't mix the batter. You can use an idli steamer if you have one, and if you don't, you can use a pressure cooker, but make sure you don't place the weight. So we're going to steam the idlis now. Keep it for about 5 to 7 minutes. The idlis are done. Remove it from the idli plate and serve it hot with some nice chutney and sambar. The idlis are cooked beautifully. Next I'm going to make dosas with the remaining batter. Heat the tawa, take a little bit of the batter, pour it, gently spread the batter. Pour a little oil on the ends. Once it's cooked on one side, just flip it over and cook it on the other side. The dosa is done. So as you can see, we've used finger millets and made this nice ragi idlis, which you can enjoy with some nice chutney and sambar. You can also make dosas if you wish with the same batter. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.